Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Chika. I am a Nigerian YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I turned some plastic bottles into a pencil case. It can also be used to keep your pens, your eraser, your sharpener, some little stationery. If you like what you're seeing so far, then please give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, now will be a good time for you to subscribe. To know how I made this, then please stay tuned and keep on watching. For this project, we need two plastic bottles. We also need a very strong glue. I'll be using this particular brand for this project. It's really quite strong, so it's a good one. Any brand you have, any glue you have is fine. We also need a zipper and we need something to cut the bottles.